Hey guys, excuse my messy hair. Whatever. I just got the rest of my Jeffree and Shane makeup in the mail, the mini controversy, and my lipsticks. Let's open it. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. We have the new palette. Postcard. Okay. Let's start with the lipsticks. Here are the ones I got. I Gotta Go, Ryland, and Shane. I'm gonna swatch these. But you'll be it too. Oh. Here's nice packaging on them. Here's Shane. So cold. This is Shane. I'll put these to the back camera so I can show you guys. That's why it's a bit like clumpy. There's Ryland. It was less pink on the picture online, but hey, you never know, it might be pretty. So here's the welcome back. So I just tried the lipsticks on, and later on I'll insert some pictures with the shades. Now it's time for the mini controversy. Now, my last video I opened up the conspiracy palette because I got that on Mercari, which because I missed out when they sold out. But this package is from the Jeffree website. They have, you know, cute little packaging with static, TV static. Ooh, it's nicely wrapped. Ooh, it comes with a pretty like shiny box. I'm keeping this box like I kept my last one. Ooh, that is a nice palette. Nice packaging. It's the static TV. Nice packaging. He uses like a static TV and like pictures a lot on his website. So he made it into a brand. Here it is, guys. Let's swatch. None of these colors are in the other palette. So we're gonna swatch, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Like my boyfriend's purse. It's a pretty gold purse. Oh, I love that gold. This is nice. Ooh, this red would be nice in the crease with this gold. Ooh, I love that. It needs to be washed. I need to use this hoodie. Okay, Flat Earth. It's like a matte white or matte gray. It's hard to tell. Cry on My Couch. This is a new, it doesn't show on my skin. That means I'm pale. Controversy is purple. Diet root beer. It's just a nice little brown. Exposed is a pretty pale pink. Oh, I love that pink. Cancelled is one pretty turquoise color. And then it's the Simulation. It's more sparkly than it looks. Alright, so I'll show you guys my swatches. My boyfriend's purse. My Apology, Flat Earth, Cry on My Couch, Diet Root Beer, Exposed, Cancelled, and The Simulation. My favorite are the red and the goldish silver. You guys enjoyed this. As you can see, I have the Ryland lipstick on right now. Really pretty. Again, my hair's a mess. Sorry. Yeah, this was me opening my mini controversy and all of my lipsticks I bought. If you guys enjoyed the video, mini heart attack. It's fine. Not even a little dent. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.